Hello everyone, here today we're going to be looking at, what are we doing here? Java Hashset. So, I'll let you guys read the problem on your own, but if you want to solve it, what we're going to be looking at is lines 21 to 34, well really 21 to 33. So what's happening in this above block code here is that we are moving our inputs into two arrays, pair left and pair right, on line 12 and 13. And we're actually doing that functionality through line 15 through 18. I'm not actually doing it, HackerRank is doing it. Okay, now here's the cool part, right? So the first thing that I'm going to test is to see that if the input is less than 2. Because if it is, that means there's only one pair, right? So you just print out that one pair. Actually, this should be no T. Yeah, it should be T. Yep. So if there's only one pair, you would print out the number 1 there. Otherwise, we're actually going to start doing stuff. So on line 24, we create a hash set. This is so we can. It's just a data structure where we store the different types of unique combinations that we have. Alright, so like an example input, the unique combination we have are John Tom, John Mary, and Mary Ann. Right, so in this for loop, we're going to iterate T times. So what is T? T is T is an integer denoting the number of pairs. So basically, if you see the number 5, that means you're going to get 5 lines coming in. If you see the number 3, you're going to get 3 lines coming in. I'm cutting each one of these 5. This is 1 line, 2 lines, so on and so forth. Alright, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna iterate through the for loop T number of times, and then this is the golden part here, line 27 to 29. We have a condition here. We're saying that if this hash set that we created does not contain a unique pair, well then just print out whatever counter we're on, right? So in the sample output, right, we're only going to increase this counter. I'm calling the number 1 a counter. Like just counter for a variable, right? So if we have a unique pair, we have 1. Now here at this next iteration here, now we're saying that there are 2 unique pairs. And then when we get here, we notice that there hasn't been an addition of unique pair, so we stay at 2. Okay, and then here we get another unique pair, so of course we increase our counter. And then finally we do not get a unique pair, so we do not increase our counter. So that's why we're doing that on line number 31. We're printing out the counter, because only if we get a unique pair will we be increasing the counter. And where do we increase the counter? We'll do that on line 29, if and only if the hash set does not contain a unique pair. And that's pretty much the gist of it, guys. You guys have fun.